So what I'm trying to do is utilize space. So what you see, like right next to the potatoes, well, the wind just blew it over. I got my Black Beauty eggplants. Now later on, I'm gonna get some more. I'm just starting out right now. It's kind of off. Everything's off this year, like I told y'all in the video earlier. So I'm just going ahead and plant what I can right now. So the potatoes are right there, right? These eggplants are right here. And then right next to the eggplants is the garlic, running right here. So I might put 2 more back there, eggplants in the back. Walk around and put 2 more in the back. But I gotta buy some more. I was gonna grow it from seed, but this weather is off and it's been too cold. So it's just best for me right now just to go buy the stuff. So like I said, check out one of my other videos where I actually tell you when you go to the farmer's market and you buy your plants, you wanna make sure there's no disease on them or no bugs on them. But right now, I don't think any insects will be on there right now because it's a little too cold. But you still, when you buy your plants, make sure you try to pick ones that have no disease and no bugs on it. You don't want to bring any kind of insects, pests back to your garden, okay? So that's a little one thing to do. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and cover these up real quick. Hold on 1 second. And see, you put these in the ground and you don't want to bury them too deep. Just bury them right around the root ball, and that's it. Now, when you do tomatoes, you bury those deep. You can pretty much cover your plant up when you bury tomatoes. But this right here, and all I did, I mixed my mixture in. I mixed that into the soil. As you can see like the black in there. I already mixed the bone meal, the Epsom salt, and the 10-10-10. And I actually put a little compost out the compost bin in here as well. I actually mixed it in there with the potatoes and in this little area too. And so we'll just see what happens from this point on. But I figured out, I'm gonna try to utilize some space. I accidentally broke that plant right there. But that's no problem. It's not gonna be a problem anyway. Go ahead and break that off. Just put it in the ground. That's it. Give it a little pat, and it's done. Just like that. Oh, they're ready to rock. So you can see like the garlic right there coming up. And there's another one right there, and another one right here. All right. There you go. All right, so potatoes, eggplant, garlic, lettuce, cilantro. I might put something in between there too. I'm just trying to utilize some space. See what I can do. I'll get back to you. But so far what we did, I mixed the bone meal, the Epsom salt, and the 10-10-10, and it's along with the soil, topsoil, and I mixed it into this ground. And then in the bottom of the hole, I also put some of my compost, cover up most of the plant. A little organic material at the bottom of the hole. Yeah. Bone meal. Then I take the plant and drop it down in the hole. Is this deep enough? Put it down in there. Take the dirt, bring it back around it. Probably should have did this on another day, but when it was drier. But you want to bury it all the way down. Take that branch off, don't hit it. Also, I planted the pepper plants over here. these 4 right here, these are the red bell peppers. The next 4 are jalapeno. And the last 4 in the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, those are hot banana peppers. So this is the last step I'm doing now. I'm just pretty much watering in the plants that I just planted in the ground. Yeah, the peppers. And I'm watering them into the ground. Of course, the potatoes. Now, I'm gonna say about those potatoes though. One thing about those potatoes, I never cut it in quarters. Like that was only 5 potatoes for real, and I cut it in the 4s each one. So that's like I had put 20 pieces in the ground. So I never did that before. So I don't know if you can. I don't know if they're gonna come up right, but we'll see. I put 20 in the ground, and that was a total of 5 small. They weren't even that big. They were red potatoes. So I just cut them in 4s and planted them in the ground. So, and I'll figure out what I'm gonna put in these pots later. Got 1 pot, 2 pot, and a 3rd pot over there. I might do something with those later. I might put something in there. Like I said, I might put potatoes in there. I still got this whole half the garden to go. And right here, around this bucket area. Nothing's in this area right here. So I'm gonna put something in here, and all over there, and in these pots. But that's gonna be over time.